In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a game from your Steam profile. So the first thing I'm doing here is opening Steam and waiting for everything to load properly so I can access my full game library. Once it's open, I'm moving straight up to the top of the window and clicking library because that's where all my owned and installed games are stored in one place. Now that I'm inside the library section, I'm looking over to the left hand side where the full list of games is shown. I'm scrolling through and selecting the specific game I want to hide from my profile. I'm clicking it once so it highlights and loads its details on the main screen. This part is important because Steam only shows the management options after you've selected the correct game. Once the game is selected, I'm shifting my attention to the area near the install button. Right beside it there's a small gear icon and I'm clicking that to open the settings menu for this game. This gear menu is where Steam hides all the extra management tools, so I'm just letting it open fully before moving on. Now that the menu is expanded, I'm hovering over manage. This opens another small submenu with more advanced options for how the game is handled on my account. I'm just pausing for a second here so I can see everything clearly before making the selection. From the manage options, I'm selecting hide this game. Once I click that, Steam immediately applies the change and removes the game from my visible library view. I'm just taking a moment to make sure I clicked the correct option so I don't accidentally hide the wrong title. At this point, the game is no longer showing in my main library list, which means it has been successfully hidden from view on my Steam profile. It doesn't delete the game or remove it from my account, it just makes it invisible in the normal browsing view, so it's cleaner and more private. So just to go through it while I'm doing it, I open Steam, click library at the top to see all owned and installed games, select the game I want to hide, click the gear icon beside the install button, hover over manage, and then select hide this game. And that's really all there is to it. Once you know where that gear icon is, hiding games becomes quick and simple. You can repeat the same process anytime you want to clean up your library or keep certain games out of your main view without removing them from your account.